Hi, everyone! Today, we bring you an outdoor waterproof garden ground light. The package contains one main product, one product remote, control, and one package of product mounting screws. First, please remove the 4 screws securing the product base. Please keep the screws from the removed product base safe, as you will need to reinstall it later. Next, please remove the fixing metal plate from the product base. Please remove the screws securing the product base back panel. Please keep the screws you just removed safe, as you will need to put them back later. Please remove the back panel of the product base. Please install the light bulb you prepared yourself. You will need to provide the light bulb yourself. Please reinstall the base backplate. Please reinstall the screws that were previously removed from the product base back panel. Next, we can officially begin the installation process. Place the product base mounting plate at the location where you intend to install the product. Then mark the holes on the plate according to their positions. And finally drill the holes using an electric drill. Hammer the product fixing screws into the 4 holes you just drilled. Please remove the nuts from the 4 fixing screws. Please keep this safe, as you will need to reassemble it later. Please install the product fixing metal plate. Please reinstall the product base fixing screws in the order shown in the installation video, following the same sequence. Please connect the power cord of the product base to your power supply. Finally, please reinstall the screws on the product base that you removed earlier. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.